Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can create the text overlay in CapCut PC. So you can add black screen for the first and go to text to add text. So you can adjust for duration and assembly and just write your text that you want to create as overlay, right? So I'm just going to add the animation and select in animation. Right, just going to select right, and after done, we're just going to select the clip, right click and create component clip and move up. So this is as an overlay. So go to media and import your video or photos you like to edit, and for example, so put an button from the text overlay. So select the text overlay and select blending, and then select multiplane overlay or just screen or redden or just supply, and adjust body opacity like this. And here we go, this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.